Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn about text wrap effect. Convert the background layer to normal layer. Add text to the image. You will find text on new layer. Right-click on text layer and select Convert to Shape. Select the text and press Ctrl T. Right-click on the text and click on Wrap. You will see the anchor points on text. Place the anchor points on object as shown in the video. Now select the object layer. Drag the mouse over text and press Ctrl. It will select the text content only excluded transparent pixels. Now apply mask to the object layer. Hide the text. Add new layer at the bottom of layers. And paint it with white. Now go to mask and start painting with white color using brush tool. As we learn, black hides and white reveals the content. Now the text is wrapped with object. Try this method with different objects. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.